Alrighty, happy weekend to me. Today we've got, um, Lord, what do we have? We have bench press, one armed bench press off the ground. We've got some frog bridges and then some curl ups. And we'll see how all that goes today. We're gonna shift some stuff around so we get some room for my feet. Let's see here. I did get a little knee tweak once I got to work after the gym yesterday. I'm not really sure what caused it, but I've just got this discomfort that was causing a limp yesterday, and that I'm just generally aware of today. So, oh, we'll see how these frog bridges go. That's your weight loss has been like I'll weigh myself at towards the end of the week, and so let's see here. I think I'm down to like 194 about, so I'm expecting to be closer to like 193 and a half, 193 next week. We'll see how, again, just like stuff happens. All right. Oh, shit. Oh, Lord. There we go. Oh, that took more time to set up than I thought it would. All right, fuck it. And I was like, oh, I'll use the sandbag as like a little head support. That might actually be more of a hindrance than a help. All right. We'll shoot for at least 3 rounds today, possibly 4. Oh, damn it. All right. Whew. Who would have thought 200 pounds was that heavy? All right, I thought I was going to use that fat grip, but it's not. It's more trouble than it's worth. All right, frog legs, frog bridges. Here we go. All right. So I contemplated adding weight to those frog bridges. I'm glad I did not. I will likely do the curl ups without a weight as well. All right. Oh, Lordy. Okay. So far, my knee is cooperating with me, which is great. I can't remember the last time I did curl ups. All right. In retrospect, I'm glad I didn't use weights on the curl ups. We're gonna change where our hands are instead. We'll do them the curl ups. All right. All right. What I tried experimenting with there is one, keeping my legs flat. Two, as my right arm went down, my left side tries to come up, so I'm trying to use my core to keep that down. Like I have a more balanced, more stable platform, as it were. Whew. All right. Oh, that's a good groin stretch right there. So let's see, we can get a little stretching in. Active rest between sets. All right. So my left side had felt better with those frog bridges. So let's see if we can't recreate what had been going well on the left on the right. Or see if we can't recreate, what the left had done well. Yeah, so it's like only got 8 reps on the right side, but managed to get 12 on the left, and it really felt like a good glute contraction. So we'll see if we can't figure out what's going on in the upcoming third round. All right. So crunches or those curl ups, I had my hands kind of punching forward. This time around, I'm gonna try and keep them kind of on my chest. Okay. And that was still pretty easy. So, uh, well, you know, whether the last round or rounds, I will use the kettlebell. All right. Didn't feel like I got a whole lot out of the you know, straight leg bench press. So we'll go back to a bent knee. Whew. Okay. So after I finish kind of doing most of the, oh, like a week or two with this one, we'll then go to the dumbbells for 50s and 52 and a half. So that should take like maybe 6 weeks or so. And then we'll start playing around with the heavier adjusted kettlebell because I still haven't messed around with that in terms of adjusting it. All right. Okay. Okay. So the issue I was having, I think I was placing too much weight towards the front edge of my foot rather than keeping my weight a little more distributed through my whole foot. So keeping my whole foot down, I was able to get more reps and it felt better on the hip. Let's see, how are we doing on time? Yeah, we'll stop after this round. Just because tomorrow is my gym rather than home gym day, and I got some barbecuing to do. We're keep monitoring, so um, Got 3 racks of ribs going, and I'm about to make up a good amount of chicken thighs here. All right, here we go. Curl ups. We're gonna do a dozen. Woo! Alrighty. That's good information to have that I can kind of use the kettlebell for some weighted stuff now. So, oh yeah, that's a good stretch. All right, if you did what I did today, great. If you did your own thing, great. If you're just starting, looking for ideas, motivation, discipline, or a community to support you, it's what we're here to do, help each other be a little better every day. So, good job today. Keep working hard. We'll see you next time.